Okay, this is how to use Maxi cooking gas oven to dry meat. You first of all wash your meat, cut to the desired parts, how you want the size to be like. And then the main ingredient to use for the cooking, which is the onion, tomato, pepper, the green bell. Yeah, so this is the meat. When you've seasoned the meat, you have to cook the meat first, then put it inside this oven, this part, the one up, then push it in. When you push it in, you close, make sure it's closed. Then after closing it, avoid opening it because you'll be tampering with the temperature. That's the light, leave it. When you close it, then when you bring it out, this is what you have. This is what it will look like when you are done drying instead of frying it. And then pour into the pot and then cook with the ingredients that was shown earlier. Then you add the vegetable, yes, and that's it. I'm sure you're salivating right now. Thank you so much for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe to Amaroba's YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and I love you.